Hi, Adam Collingwood here. One of the questions I get asked often is when I do intraday trading, how do I know when to sell or buy? Well, this is a chart of the DAX German 30, and you've got 2-minute candles. So you can see red, red, then a green candle, another red candle, 2 green candles, and you can see that the DAX price has moved all the way down to here. Okay, so this was from nearly 2:30, just coming up to 2:30, and it's now 4:30. So within a couple of hours, the DAX has fallen by over 100 pips. Now, in terms of my entry, as soon as the price breaks this particular line here, this trend line, that's where I would look to sell, and this is on the 2-minute time frame. Now, where I would be putting my stop is just up here. Okay, so we can see if the price moved back, then I would be closing the trade for about 16 to 20 pips as a stop loss there. And this is on the premise that the reward is much greater. So I'm willing to risk 20 pips on the premise that the price, I think, will continue to keep falling, because once it's crossed through here where you see this black line is, that's where, if you leave it alone and do not come out of the trade, even though, for example, here you will get a bit of a flurry, that was at 3:45, it will continue to keep trending down. You can see now it's 16:34, and the price has fallen to 10,305. So I'm just going to show you now where I entered. Okay, so you can see here it's only £2 per point, so this is about almost 150 pips. So if we just edit there, so I opened at 10,450 and the current price is 10,303, so just almost 150 pips there. So almost £300, and that's only at £2 per point, only £2 per point. So in terms of my risk, well, as I said, I would have closed the trade had the price moved above here, but it continued to comfortably fall for me, so entering just here, and you can see the result. So in terms of risk versus reward, the reward was about 5 to 1 on this particular trade, so I was expecting maybe a fall of about 100 points. So the fact that it's fallen further is a bonus for me. And what I can do now is I can put in a trailing stop. So in the worst case scenario, I've got a choice. I can either take the money now, or worst case scenario, if the price does lift again and crosses back over my black trend line here, then I'll be closed out. So say if I came out here at 10,344, I would still be massively in profit. Now the reason why I haven't closed the trade yet is because at the moment the trend down is very strong, and I'm quite happy because it's in my sell zone, so it's below, my sell zone is below this black line. It might continue to fall further, so I will put, you can see there it's at 10,297, so you can see on the right there 10,298. Let's go back and have a look at what that is. Yeah, so you can see here that the running profit and loss just on that trade is about over £300 now. So say it's only £2 per pip, and that's 150 pips made there. So here I'm going to leave the trade open, it could continue the way that markets are at the moment. It could continue to fall further, but I will be closing the trade if it does cross back above this line here. So just an example of how, just by knowing when to short sell or go long on any particular trade, this is how you do it on intraday trading. So I hope that was helpful for you, and if you would like to know more about how to do this, then you can please email me. And my email address is adam@learnhowtotradeshares.com. That's adam@learnhowtotradeshares.com. So send me an email, or you can subscribe to the Financial Traders Cafe TV channel here, and look out for more free videos coming your way. Okay, you take care now, and look out for the videos coming soon.